everyone, this is Yourcera from Yourcera Band. Today I will introduce you our latest CADCAM team, including Wi-Fi D 5-axis Zirconia dental machine, YFDS fast sentering follies, and a vacuum cleaner. With this 3-use CADCAM team, you can produce a policy of both extensions by yourself from your own dental clinics and labs. And with Wi-Fi D for Maria, only need 8 minutes. And with YFDS centering follies, the fastest centering speed only take 1 hour, and the highest temperature can reach 1550 degrees. So if you can order from us soon, we can supply you some free Zirconia blocks and bean balls. And we can offer you free metals and lifetime technique course. To Mexico and USA, we can supply you door-to-door delivery service. For more details, please contact us. Bye-bye.